Hi, I'm Scott Noonan, the CEO of Audio Advice. We are super excited to be with our friends at JVC today, launching two brand new projectors, the NZ700 and NZ500. Today, we're going to focus for a second on the NZ700 because all the big JVC fans, you guys launched NZ800, NZ900 Audio Advice Live just a little while ago, and everyone's been waiting for the NZ700. Patrick, tell us about it.
So we're really excited about this because we're replacing the NZ7 in the end of November with the new NZ700. This projector is going to double the contrast from the NZ7. We're going 80,000 to 1 instead of 40,000 to 1. We're up to 2,300 lumens on this projector, and it's a native 4K projector that gives you 98% of the DC IP3 color gamut with an 80 millimeter all-glass lens system.
So we actually have this now popped up on our website. If you go check out the home theater design tool at audioadvice.com or a projector throw distance calculator, you'll see both new projectors in there, and we're going to do a full review in a lab, testing all the lumens, everything else. Thanks for watching. Be on the lookout for those reviews, and we'll see you next time.